and good morning everyone. So today, I would like to talk about our NGO project on environmental awareness and rural education. Environmental awareness is important because problems like pollution, deforestation and climate change are increasing. Many people do not fully understand how human activity affect nature and animals. Environmental education helps people become more responsible in protecting the environment. For this project, our group chose mini zoo bentong at the AGROFARM, Raub Pahang. This place is located in a rural area and focuses on animal care and environmental conservation, which make it a suitable location for our project. During the project, we carry out several activities such as tree planting, feeding the animals, and cleaning the area. These activities help us learn about environmental protection, animal care, teamwork, and responsibility. In conclusion, this project helps increase our awareness of the environment and encourage us to care for animals and nature. So now, I would like to explain about the implemented program for our NGO project. The title of our program is Volunteer Program at the AGROFARM and Retreat. The main objective of this program was to give students hands-on experience in environmental care and sustainable farming. Through this program, students learn how to protect the environment, work as team, and take responsibility for their action. The program was held on 8 November 2025 at the AGROFARM in Raub Pahang. The rural environment and good weather made it sustainable for outdoor activities and learning. The participants of this program were mainly students from UiTM Raub Pahang. Some students had experience with farming, while others did not. This allows students to help each other and improve teamwork. During this program, several activities were carried out. These included tree planting, farm maintenance, feeding the animals, exploring the farm, and group reflection. Through these activities, students learn about environmental conservation, animal care, and how ecosystems work. The program was conducted in collaboration with the AGROFARM staff who guided us during the activities and UiTM Raub, which coordinated the students.
So the first activity is I will start with arrival and briefing. For this session, we all participate register with the facility and comprehensive briefing session followed, explaining what the program objective, safety guideline and tasks that we need to do. This session also helped ensure everyone was clear on their rules and aware of environmental need to be followed throughout the activity. It also served as a moment to mentally prepare participants before starting hand-on all tasks. Next, we move to the main activity is tree planting. Participants were active and involved in every step, from digging planting holes, preparing the soil, placing the seed lines, to watering the newly planted trees. Facility also guide them throughout, making sure the planting technique were done correctly. Also, everyone can work as a team to ensure the trees were planted properly and securely. The activity is not only give participants a meaningful outdoor experience, but also contribute positive to the environment by promoting sustainability and increasing cleanliness in the area.
Now, I will explain the third activity carried out during the program. So the third activity was clearing and gathering dry plants. Participants clear dry leaf, branches and plant waste around the farm. This activity helped to keep the area clean and safe, especially for newly planted trees. We work in a group and use simple tools such as gloves and rakes. Through this activity, we learn the importance of cleanliness, teamwork and maintaining a healthy environment. The fourth activity was the animal feeding activity, which was the final activity of the program. Students were guided by the zoo staff on the correct way to feed the animals safely. We also learn about different types of animal and their specific food needs. This activity increases our awareness of animal welfare and thought of responsibility, discipline, and respect toward animals. Overall, this activity helps us understand environmental care, teamwork, and animal responsibility. For the knowledge shared by Mini Zubentong, first, the staff introduced us to different animal species and explained their basic care requirements such as food, cleanliness, and safety. Second, they explain animal behavior, habitat, and feeding practice. This helps us understand why animals behave in certain way and how to care for them properly. Third, the staff share knowledge about wildlife, conservation, and environmental protection. We learn the importance of protecting animals and preserving the natural environment. Lastly, they explain the role of Mini Zubentong in education and ecotourism, especially in raising public awareness about animal and sustainability. Overall, the knowledge shared helps us understand animal better and increase our awareness of environmental conservation. Next, I will share our reflection and learning outcome from this program. So, first, the program increased our awareness of environmental care and wildlife conservation. We learn why protecting nature and animals is important. Second, we gain a better understanding of human responsibility toward animals, especially in terms of care, safety, and welfare. Third, the program gave us hands-on learning experience beyond classroom theory. We were able to apply what we learned in real situations. Last, the activity improved our teamwork, communication, and cooperation as we work together to complete tasks. Overall, this program was meaningful and helped us grow personally and academically.
So next is for SWOT analysis. One of the strengths of the program was strong teamwork and clear task division. The hands-on activities such as tree planting, animal feeding, and cleaning provided meaningful learning experience. In addition, the farm staff were friendly and supportive, which create a positive and safe working environment. So for the weakness, some weaknesses were also identified. The activities were physically tiring, especially under hot weather conditions. Many students lacked prior experience and limited tools as well as short time duration affect work efficiency. Opportunities. The program offers opportunities for future collaboration with the AGROFARM and encourage continued involvement in environmental and eco-voluntary activities. It also helps students further develop soft skills and raise awareness about animal welfare and environmental conservation. For the threats, lastly, several threats could affect future programs. These include extreme weather conditions, limited voluntary participation, safety risks when working with animal and tools, and maintenance or equipment limitations. So, for the next slides is benefits of the volunteering program. This volunteering program at the AGROFARM provided UiTM Raut students with hands-on experience in community development and rural agricultural activities. Students were exposed to real-life situations such as farm management, animal care, environmental cleanliness, and rural development. Overall, the program helps students apply classroom knowledge to real situations and contribute to their personal, academic, and social development. So, for the first point is development of soft skills. One major benefit of the program is the development of soft skills. Through group-based activities such as feeding animals, cleaning enclosures, and maintaining the farm area, students improve teamwork, communication, leadership, and time management skills. Working together also helps students learn to share responsibility, respect different opinions, and build confidence through small leadership roles. So, for the second point is practical learning experience. The program also provided valuable practical learning experience. Instead of learning only through theory, students were directly involved in real development-related activities. This hands-on exposure helps students understand how development programs are implemented in rural areas and allow them to connect academic concepts with real-world application. So, for the third point is animal welfare and environmental awareness. Another important benefit of the program is increased awareness of animal welfare and environmental sustainability. By feeding animals, cleaning cage, and maintaining a clean environment,
Students develop ethical awareness, empathy towards animals, and a sense of environmental responsibility. So for the last one is exposure to rural development. The program also exposes students to rural development. Students were able to observe how agricultural activities contribute to the local economy and community well-being. This exposure helps students understand rural challenge and the importance of sustainable development.
Next is our recommendations to improve the program. First, we recommend improving farm management efficiency. Good farm management helps daily activities run smoothly. When the farm is well managed, students can learn better and understand farm work more clearly. Next, we suggest extending the program durations. A longer program allows students to spend more time on the farm. This helps students become more involved and understand daily farm operation. We also recommend the involvement of experts, agriculture experts, and industry practitioners can share their real-life experience. This helps students learn modern farming methods and real-world practice. Another recommendation is collaboration with NGO and agency. Working with external organizations strengthens community engagement. It also helps students develop teamwork and project management skills. Lastly, we suggest to follow up activity and making this an annual program. Continuous program help maintaining the sustainability and the program. This also improves student soft skill, community awareness, and knowledge of sustainable agriculture. To conclude, the volunteer program at the Beloit AGROFARM and Retreat was a meaningful experience for our group. Through activities like tree planting, farm cleaning, and animal feeding, we gained hands-on experience in environmental care and animal welfare. The program also helped us improve our teamwork communication and sense of responsibility. Even though we face some challenges, they become valuable learning experiences. Overall, this program successfully combined learning with community service and increased our awareness of sustainability and rural development. Thank you.